Hello, fellow foodies and chocolatiers. Welcome back to our culinary corner, where we explore the world of delicious desserts, and today, we're taking on the tasty challenge of crafting a delectable chocolate cake. This recipe is a tried and true classic that you're sure to love. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your measuring cups and spoons, and let's dive right in. We'll kick things off with the dry ingredients. Grab your 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and sift it into a mixing bowl. We're also adding 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a generous pinch of salt. Give it a good mix to ensure everything is well combined. Now, let's move on to the wet ingredients. We've got 2 cups of white sugar to add next, followed by 2 large eggs. Don't worry about measuring them out. 1 cup of milk, make sure it's at room temperature. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter for added richness. And finally, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that irresistible aroma. Whisk the dry ingredients together, then pour in the eggs, vanilla, and oil on medium speed. Stir in boiling water. Pour this luscious batter into well-greased cake pans or use non-stick spray and pop them into your preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Check on them occasionally to ensure they're baking evenly. Once they're done, allow them to cool down completely for at least 30 minutes before frosting or decorating as desired. And there you have it. Like and subscribe.